Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Andis Professional T-Outliner Beard Hair Trimmer with T-Blade, Gray, model GTO 04710. If you plan on shaping yourself, or someone else up, this is not the product you want. After zero gapping the blade, it gives you a day after shave look, and length of stubble. They take much longer to begin to get too hot for touch, which is great. Easy to keep clean, and the cord helps with any tangled cord situations you may have. This is a great tool for close trimming, but make sure you check it upon receipt. It also came in the box with complete instructions, and oil to lube the blade after cuts. These are an old classic, but there's too many new trimmers out there to stick with these. Plugged it in one day before doing a client's hair, and it decided to die out on me. Pros sturdy, well midi doesn't hurt, or cut you can overpriced for what you get. Is a wire, no battery, doesn't do a great job on the neck, gets very hot, vibrates like the world is about to end. Andis makes some of the best machines you can buy, and this one is no exception. Ditch buying the cheap trimmers and buzzers. This is top notch when it comes to clippers. You'll save countless money on the other brands that dull fast and leave uncut hair. So far so good, but like with any buzzer, be careful when you groom the lower area. If you ever need to change out the motor, it wouldn't be covered under Andis warranty. Disappointed due to the fact it's not working as intended over a short period of time. But anyways, it took a good 30 minutes for me to tighten loose and check to make sure that it cut properly, but at the same time wasn't too loud, or didn't vibrate too much. He was even concerned about her spending that much money, which he was guessing it had to have cost. Chews through everything with ease. Compared to those ones specifically designed for facial hair, you have to hit areas over and over to get a clean and even shave. This thing cuts very close, doesn't nick, cut, or hurt at all, and mostly glides over your face. It's close enough that it leaves a nice, very short layer of hair on your face, kind of like a 5 o'clock shadow, and doesn't make me look like a child after shaving. This is also easy to clean, lasts very long, and saves tons of time in the morning. It cuts almost as close as a regular electric razor, but so much easier on your skin. Good for edge up, and everything else to be expected, but it gets pretty hot. Goes right through effortlessly, no pulling, no need to go over the same spot a ton of times. It's impressive. Such a bad product, scratches, pulls hair, and doesn't even cut well enough where you can line it up. That's not fault of the shaver, but the blades are certainly sharp and consistent, and it gives you a very close shave. If you have thick facial hair, this would be perfect as a pre-shave before you lather and shave with a razor. You really can't hold them in your hand, let alone touch your skin for a trim. These are the best trimmers ever. There seem to be some out there that say these get too hot. Man up for a change. The box arrived with holes in it, and the tape to seal the box wasn't on the box. It doesn't cut as well as this gray body as the original, and is the best. This hair trimmer is intended for a very close and clean haircut, almost like a shave, and for cleaning and make finishes on the neck area and the sideburns. These cut really close, so if you need a quick close cut, these are it. If you've ever been to a barber shop in the United States, chances one, if not all, of the barbers have an Andis T-Outliner. Along with the Oster Classic 76, the Andis T-Outliner is one part of a perfect pair. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.